I'm Carrie with the CPQ experts at Renaissance Tech. Today we will explore Infor CPQ as the ultimate configurator for visual manufacturing ERP. Our particular scenario that we'll be exploring, I am going to be acting as an external user of CPQ. So we'll say that I am an independent contracted manufacturing sales rep, and I need to put together a quote using the enterprise quoting tool that comes with Infor CPQ. And then we want to take a look at what that looks like once I actually convert that quote into an order and submit it to the manufacturer. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here I am in enterprise quoting. So again, I'm an independent sales rep. I am not actually affiliated with the manufacturer at all. I just have a license to be able to use this quoting tool that goes directly to the manufacturer. So let's go ahead. Let's select new quote up here. Okay, so here I am. I've selected this Able Manufacturing as my customer. We need to add something to this quote. So let's go in, look at our items. We're gonna pick this door right here. We're gonna select it. And then we have the option here to configure. So this is where we get to actually make different choices, different selections based on what this customer wants. So let's say customer says they want hickory, they want a natural stain. For the profile, got my face in the way, we'll move me over here. For the profile, we can actually pull this up and take a look. So it's great to have these sort of more visually appealing tools to help us with our selections. We'll say we want this one-step profile, we want the raised panel style, and then we're going to proceed to dimensions. Okay, so from here, we can make different selections. Now, the cool thing about this particular item that we're looking at is its integration to a 2D drawing program. We can see that, based on our selections, this door is actually dynamically updating parametrically based on the height and width that we're choosing. So pretty cool stuff there. Let's add some glass panels to this door as a final touch, and then we're going to just hit finish. Okay, so from here we are back on the quote page, and then we're going to place our order. Lets us know our order was submitted. We've got the order number right here. Let's go ahead and copy it. We're going to head into Visual, and we're going to put that order number into Visual and take a look at what that looks like coming through on the other side. So let's go ahead and jump over to Visual. All right, so now we are in Visual. We've hopefully still got our order number copied. We're gonna paste that, right into there. We're just gonna tab off. All right, so now you can see once I tab off, it populates this line, our order here on this line for us. Let's check the manufacturing details, make sure everything looks right to us. So we go over to this little arrow under job ID. And once we click on that, you can see right here, we've got all of our information for manufacturing, routing in here. Now, let's say, our customer has decided actually they want to take those glass panels off of this door, but the order has already been submitted. So a manufacturing sales rep can call the manufacturer and say, hey, customer has changed their mind again. Can you just make an adjustment, take those glass panels off of the door? So we can go in and we can actually on the manufacturing side now reconfigure this order. So let's head, I think it was, right over here. You can see these glass panels are selected. Let's deselect those and then let's hit finish. All right, so now we will go ahead and head back over to our manufacturing output. And if we look here, we can see the glass panes have now dropped off of our work order after reconfiguring that order. So as you can see, there is a lot of flexibility when it comes to using Infor CPQ as Visual ERP's configurator. It's not something that's limited just to the manufacturing side. It's full service quoting capabilities that allow any user to use the tool to create quotes, place orders, and then readjust as needed, all while developing that dynamic work order and bill of materials as we go. So if you are looking at a project like this, if you have a need for a configurator, definitely Infor CPQ is something that you want to check out if you're a visual user. Renaissance Tech has developed the integration between Infor CPQ and Visual, so we've got you covered there. We'd be happy to talk with you about your project. As always, reach out to contact@renaissancetech.com or leave us a comment in the comment section below.